Slimelicious from So Slime DIY. It's so easy to make your own scented slime. Look at all the amazing styles you can make. So sweet. Pour in the slime powder, add water, and shake it up. Open and smell. Mix in the decorations. Wow, it's so cool. It smells so sweet. Collect and make all the styles. Combine colors and scents. Slimelicious by So Slime DIY.